Hi, Dave.
Oh, that counts.
Yeah. He ain't got. You can't get it up from there.
Oh shit. Of course.
You can't let off the gas.
Yeah, no doubt.
You got to just pin it from here.
You
Yeah. Nope.
tell that wasn't gonna end well.
You cannot let off, man. You just.
Yeah, he started to bounce.
Well, at least you're consistent, Keith.
I really am.
Oh dear.
I think I scratched
That's
it.
how I got mine
What
down.
year is that, Mike? That counts. That was lovely.
There it is.
Oh, she's in neutral.
It's always in neutral. There's your problem.
Nice.
Beautiful.
One wheel.
Oh, and the speed at the bottom if you ask me.
Oh.
Do it like that. Listen to that little 150. As watch Keith do it, I might be
Whose kid is that? Who let that dude come with us? Nope. There it is. There it is. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, we built up some dirt at the bottom. Got all the rocks cleared from the top. We dropped. Go, 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 go! Yeah.
That was nice, Griff. She sounds better. She just needed the Italian tune-up.
You know he's gonna do it. Yep. Let's go, Brian.
It's a little more traction though.
Go! Oh! so close. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah.
I wonder if you can jump it all the way to the top.
Money. I think he was in third. He was in third, right?